Okay, finally we got them after 1 month. Let me show you. I will take the cutter to break the box. Okay. Almost a month to arrive. The first prototypes. That looks good. I have a tiny mistake in here. I need to break the circuit, but that's a tiny problem. And the rest, it looks amazing. Very nice. Yeah. The 100 pieces. Oh, I cannot wait to start solder the stuff. I got the solder mask as well. I don't know if I can I would place a picture over the video. Next step is the soldering. I still have to receive some connectors like these ones. Yeah, the PCB headers. And should be delivered today. I had an Amazon order. I found them on Amazon better than the RS. Yeah, stay tuned.